Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing to a Palace live cop. Today we have Palace Ultimo week 1. I don't know how many weeks they're going to be. I can only expect like 2 or 3 at a push because a large majority of the items are going to be dropping this week, and yeah, I'm going to be hopefully going for 2 of them or picking 2 of them up, being the doormat and the snow globe. I know that there's also the clock dropping this week and its retail is way above what I was anticipating or expecting, so for those going for it I hope they can get it. But the price isn't great on it, but regardless, we're just going to be getting straight into this. As per norm, let me know down below whether you took a W or whether you took an L going for this drop, whether or not you went in store to grab something instead, and yeah, good luck to those who are going for the drop later on today and those going for it on Saturday in Japan. But without further ado, let's just get straight into this, take our W's and move on. I do have a bad feeling. God, it's so bright out there yet again. I'm just ascending still. Here we go, we're off. I don't know what to do about it, whether or not I should just close the blinds in the future and just leave it like that, or what, but it's ridiculously bright out there at the moment, isn't it? Maybe I will. I think that might be a little bit better now. My eyes also have to readjust to this because, wow, that's like a completely different aerial atmosphere for that, God. But yeah, like I said, we're just going to be going for the doormat and the snow globe. Hopefully the retails are within the expectations for the snow globe. I believe it's meant to be £38 and the doormat is meant to be 48 to 68. I know that some other streetwear brands have been charging around there like 49 to 65-ish for theirs, so hopefully that's all good. But yeah, I'm actually stressed. Why am I stressed? It's Palace. Don't be stressed. It's Palace. It's fine. Okay, it loaded in a second faster than I was expecting, which is fine. 48 on the doormat is beautiful. That is amazing. I agree, check out. There's no bicycles. That's good. Take me to check out. Be like that. Oh, it's beautiful that it is like that. I'm just going to have to type a couple of details, but all good. All good. Just power on through, Palace. Come on. Quick, 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 quick. Done. Jazz hands to finish up. The page should really be down some more. But anyway, your order is processing. This is what we like to see. Ah, let's go. That's just what I want to see. Oh, thank God. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look to see if anything has sold out. I don't believe anything would have, but we can take a look. Now, I didn't see, but is the clock down here? It is. The clock is there. It's £118. Oh my. Really, Palace? What you are charging £10 for the sticker pack? Seriously? It's 5 stickers. £18 for Sharpies. £28 for a mug, £38 for a reusable. No, okay, I need to stop looking at prices. Wow. That's insane. My voice just gonna keep going higher at that point. I gotta stop looking at things. But I just want to see if anything has sold out or if anything has gone. And obviously this is going to be the order for the drop, so I'll go through it very slowly, just so that you can see if you're going for any of these pieces, where they lie and where they'll be sitting. Obviously I can't do the same thing as Supreme where I go through tabs and sections because Palace is a little bit broken when it comes to that. £78 for a long sleeve top. Then again, the last one I bought was on discount or end of season sale, but still that seems a little bit high as an overall price point. But yeah, let's just keep going down and take a look. So we're on to the hats. Any of them yet? To be honest, by the time I refresh and take a look, it'll probably be that point in time that they will have sold out. But so far there's nothing. Obviously I believe that when I do refresh it'll probably be the correct timing for it. So let's just do that and I'll scroll through very quickly, just taking a look. So far I don't see anything that's sold out yet. I don't know Palace's sellout times nowadays, because sometimes it can be under a minute and you've got a really brief amount of time to be going for something, and then other times it's you can just sit back, relax, and just chill when you're going for these things. So I'd say I'd give it a little bit of time for things to have sold out. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes. I'm just going to drop one last refresh just to see if anything has sold out. Obviously, we checked out what we wanted, or I checked out what I wanted. People be like, we? Not me. But yeah, I got what I wanted. The only other thing that I'm really looking out for from Palace from this season is obviously, well, possibly the little like bear beanie with the little ears. But aside from that, it's going to be the fleece. Because I looked at Kith's one today. Although Kith's one is absolutely like stunning for a piece, is also £420, which I'll be honest, the cat clock has sold out. Wow, that's so expensive though. But I'll be honest, that actually sold out. 420 is a little bit above what I would be hoping to spend with them. Fair play to that selling out. I mean, yeah. They must have not had a lot of stock, because realistically for that price it's a bit above what I was expecting. Also because typically they do come from America, so yeah. I was just going to see, do they have a sizing tab? Is it on like the front? Yes, unfortunately Palace's like sizing tab, you actually have to click on each individual item to check it, so I'm not going to be doing that. Otherwise we will be here for a very long time. This will be like a 30-minute video of just me going through all of the sizes. But yeah, that is going to cover everything basically. Obviously I got what I wanted. For those who checked out what they wanted, well, I hope that you did, obviously. I wish that this had just been like Palace in large font or something like that, instead of saying Safe Palace. I don't know, I just felt like maybe something a bit more Christmassy, because they mentioned Christmas in the description, so I wish that it just had that tiny bit of something, maybe like, I don't know, something. Anyway, it's the first one that they've ever done, so, because they've done like rugs and mats and things like that in general, but this is the first piece they've done like this, so yeah, I haven't copped any of the prior ones because I was worried about them, and then they ended up doing like 4 times retail, and so yeah, anyway, that's going to cover this video. Good luck to those who are going for the drop later on today and on Saturday in Japan. I hope that you can get what you're after. If you'd like to, you can comment down below what you're going to be going for. But regardless, that is going to cover it from me. Obviously, Supreme is later, where I'm most probably just going to be picking up a beanie. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, regardless, I hope that you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.